Hello everyone, welcome to another episode. So you want to become a crypto miner. You guys just wake up one morning and looked at your rigs and then this happened. You see one card working and then you look and the other cards aren't working. And then you can't figure it out why that is. So then you go check your miner and then you get a wonderful, wonderful error message here. It says, this device is not working properly because Windows cannot load the drivers required for this device. Code 31. Well, then you wonder, it's like, code 31, so they're not working. Well, it's actually a very easy fix. All it is, because on this specific rig over here, this specific rig has got a TI, the rest are GTX's regular 1070s. So, it's actually a very, very, very easy fix. And the easy fix for this, it's, there we go. The easy fix for this is actually just reinstalling the drivers. Let me show you how to do that and we'll get this rig back online. Alrighty guys, well look at that here. It says this device is not working properly because Windows cannot load the drivers required for this device. Error code 31. Well, it's actually very simple. You know, you wake up and then this happens. It's either reboots or whatever the case is. So what you need to do is basically we'll just shut off the miner temporarily. So we're just going to hit quit. It says terminate batch job and we're going to do that. So what we'll do is we're just going to reinstall drivers. We're going to reinstall the TI drivers, which has the same drivers for the 1070s. Well, that was interesting. So now let's do NVIDIA. Just type in NVIDIA or wherever you get your drivers. Download them, and then we're going to go for GeForce and the 10 series and look for the 1070 Ti's. So we're going to search for 1070 Ti's and then we're going to download them and then download the drivers. And now we wait. Somebody has arrived. Hey, cutie. Oh, no. Hey, guys. Say hi. I know. That's her little name. So cute. She's also a little angry today. All right, I'm Mark. Get set. Bye. All we got to do is just reinstall it. That's it. And that will fix that error code 31. The fun error code 31 out of here. And yes, and install. So it's going to take a little bit of time and see what goes on. Yeah, it's basically pretty self, how can I put it? Load the drivers because it's self-explanatory, but if you're having the issue now, what the issue is, because you're running a 1070 Ti and a 1070, sometimes the drivers conflict. Now the original drivers that was on this computer on this rig was the 1070 driver, not the Ti drivers. So I guess when he downloaded it screwed up with the 1070 drivers. I'm not exactly too sure, but I've always known that this is the best fix to do it. So then we're just going to end up installing, and it's going to, so we'll see it on the screen here. Actually, I'll get rid of this code over here. And then you guys will see as all of these will start dropping off because it's going to change on there. It's the drivers that are at fault on this one, you guys. This miner's been down for quite some time because I wanted to do a video on there. I got quite a few videos that's coming out, and I wanted to make sure that you guys actually get to see what I go through. Once in a while when you're changing out the cards, which I do, I get rid of my 1070s and I go to my 1070 Ti's. You guys, it's basically, let's put it this way, it's basically, it screws up the drivers continuously. Like, that's the way. There's nothing much I can really tell you guys the difference, except from actually saying that your drivers are screwed up. So somewhere along something happened, needs to reinstall the drivers, and then we can get this thing back up on running, and then we'll reset the settings and have at her. So right now it's just installing the graphics driver, so I'm pretty sure that the screen should flicker, because right now I'm using the remote desktop. It's such a wonderful tool, guys. Since I found this, it is amazing. So much easier, less stress, less headaches. I cannot complain about it, to be honest. I really cannot. So, let's see what goes on. Okay, I will come back here shortly. I'm going to let the drivers install, and see, there he goes. Well, it went off, and then he went back on again. Gotta love when that happens. Let's see. So as it's reinstalling, it's going to do that for all of them. So we'll see those things, the little markings on here, one by one should disappear eventually. Once the graphics and then once the driver's installed. You made me look like a liar for a little second here. It's like, haha. Oh well, that's all right. So yeah, this is kind of the way the mining works. Just gotta wait till the installation of the driver, and then we'll probably have to reboot and see what goes on. The fun part is always the installation. Gotta love Windows mining installation. Okay, there you go. See, I didn't lie to you guys. I wasn't gonna lie to you guys. Now you have all of the drivers. You guys seen this live. Like, this is installation live here. I'm not making stuff up here. This is not a magic trick, or this is nothing of anything. This is how you actually fix the issues. If you're running Windows and you're running basic on Windows, this is how you fix the issues. Like I said, I wasn't gonna lie to you guys. Okay. Beautiful. Okay, we're going to create, but we're just not going to launch that. I'm not worried about it at the moment. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to reboot the computer itself. Excellent. And it's going to be rebooting, and we'll wait on it for about 30 seconds or so. And we'll log back into it with the remote desktop. God, I love that. That's a new feature I do like a lot. So let's wait a little bit. It's probably doing some updates, you know, just running around in circles. And then eventually, let's see. That's the only thing, the only problem with this is that you're trying to take the guesswork because of the network connection. So I might have to figure out how to turn the network connection on BIOS. Maybe I can make it work that way. Who knows? Okay. We're going to bring it right here, you guys. SJ Rig 2. Going to connect to it. Beautiful. I think, oh, look at that. We caught it right on time. And now I think it froze. Ah, no, it didn't freeze. Okay, so we're gonna wait for her. This is what we want, the MSI Afterburner. Ooh, it saved the settings on here. Look at that! 1, 2, 3, and 4. Besides, the only one was the TI going. And so these ones are a 70% the power, 150, and a 450 the memory clocks. And this one is the TI 65. 125 and 450. So now this is going to load. So what we're going to also do, we're going to give you guys about the only way to make sure that this works 100% It's got to be left on for a minimum of 15 minutes. That's what it is. It's a minimum of 15 minutes. The reason you want 15 minutes is because you want to make sure there's no reboots, there's no jumps, there's no absolutely nothing into it. That's what you guys want. Well, sorry, that's what is it that you should be looking for, to be honest. So we're going to get them all up and push up the hash rate here, and that's it. This was, like I said, this was down for quite some time. Because I wanted to make sure I wanted to show this, guys, to you guys. I really wanted to show this. Just, if you're always having some issues, you know how to fix those issues. Okay, you know what, guys? I'll bring this so you guys can see this. There we go. All right, GPU15 or 112 mega hashes. Not bad for 30.6 mega hashes to 100 and what is it? To 111, 100, yeah, 111, 112. That's okay. GPU 2, and like I said, you know what? We'll let it go for 15 minutes. So you guys, I'm going to speed this up, but I will leave this running for 15 minutes, and then I'll be back in 15 minutes here, and we'll take a look at it. Sorry, that's our little kittens fighting in the background. They're just playing. It's actually kind of cute. Okay, guys, we'll leave this going on for a little while. Okay, we'll see you guys in about 15 minutes. Okay, guys, well, it's been 15 minutes so far. Fantastic. Our network has went up from 138 to right now we went to 146. We got rig 2, which I'll show you guys that. There it is, rig 2. You guys can see all of a sudden, oops, I'm sorry, it resets every minute here, so I got pretty much short time. You see it was down here to 30, 30.5, where it says reported mega hash rate, 30 and a half. And down, it's all the way up to, there we go, 111.86, oops, there we go, come on. 111.86 mega hashes. So it increased our hash rates, which is perfect. Our over hash rates are 146, 1.46 gigahashes. So it's perfect where we ended up on this one. Okay, you guys, that's all I can tell you. Basically, this is how you fix that problem if you get that error code 31. That's it. All you do is just reinstall the drivers, reboot, and let it run for about 15 minutes or so, and then that's about it. You just go on from there. Okay, guys, if you got any question, please leave in the comments down below. Also, on top of that, please remember to subscribe, as well as hit that notification bell for future videos, you guys. I do put videos out about once a week right now, and sometimes it's going to be about twice a week. Usually on Thursday and Sundays they get released. All right, guys, thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.